You know, this time of the year, the Christmas tree is probably the very first decoration you think of in relation to the holidays. But here on Delmarva, there is another piece of shrubbery that is synonymous with the spirit of the season.
We, of course, are talking about the iconic holly plant. Now, whether it's a bush or in a decorative wreath, it's part of what the Women's Club of Milton is celebrating this month. Here to tell us this afternoon more about that, Debbie Pecoraro is the president of the Women's Club of Milton. She is with Cindy Sobel, one of the Milton Holiday House Tour homeowners. Thank you so much for joining us.
Well, thank you for having us.
All right, I'm going to ask you off the top. Why is holly such a big deal to Milton?
Well, holly is the tree of our town, and I believe historically thousands of holly wreaths and things like that were created in Milton, and it became the
yeah.
It was like the holly wreath capital of the world at one point, right?
That's right.
Okay, so you're the president of the Women's Club of Milton. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, the Women's Club of Milton is a not-for-profit that's dedicated pretty much to service to the community. We do a lot of fundraising to improve the lives of the people that live in our little community. This year we've given out over $12,000 in scholarships to young women in the Milton area. We've provided some equipment for the playground, which is adaptive so that children of different disabilities can use, which was something that we donated recently this summer. A lot of things we do with the school, with the food bank. Many of our members are mentors at the schools, so.
You stay busy.
We do.
Oh my goodness.
Doing good things.
That's great. So, Holly Festival. What can we expect to see?
Well, Holly Fest is every year in Milton the big showcase of our town. We have, it spreads through the whole town. We have free parking at the Dogfish Head Brewery. We have shuttle service to the 3 venues that are, we have over 95 juried artisans that are there and selling their wares at the school, at the fire hall, and throughout town. And we have our holiday house tour in the afternoon from 2:30 to 6:30. And that's what we are here to talk about.
Yeah, and Cindy, you are a homeowner on that tour.
I am.
So what can folks expect to see?
Well, we all like to peek into other people's windows, don't we?
We do.
It's kind of a universal experience. Are there curtains open? So there are 12 houses or buildings on the tour this year. Mine's toward the end. I have 5 children and 7 grandchildren, so it's a youngish experience at my house. It's not fancy and glamorous. It's just funky and fun.
Ooh, funky and fun is good.
That's funky and fun. So why is an event like this so important for the community?
I don't know that it's important in terms of long-term anything, but it's fun in that we get to see each other's lives. We get to join together and say, these people live in a 150-year-old shipbuilder's house. This lady lives in Pleasantville. That's me. And Milton is just a great amalgamation of people coming in from all over the region to spend their last years.
Yeah, the Holly Fest is sponsored by the Chamber of Milton, and it does showcase the town. It shows that it's a little town with beautiful Victorian homes, with modern homes. We have a little bit of everything there. We're lucky this year that most of the homes are kind of within walking distance, so you can park once and walk and see most of the homes. So we're happy about that.
So you are holding the ticket.
That is correct.
To the holiday home tour, house tour.
And the tickets are on sale. We can take reservations for the tickets by calling 302-329-9738. And they're also on sale in the town at the Mercantile, at Salon Milton, and we have an office in Lewis. Gourmet also is selling the tickets.
So the ticket is?
This book. It's $25. It's used for your entry into the home. There's a brief description of each home, a map how to get around town, which is always helpful. And we're looking to have visitors from locally as well as all around the tri-state area.
So it's all happening. The Holly Festival and the Holiday Home Tour is happening December 9th. That is a Saturday, and it's going to be fabulous.
Yes.
Yes.
Ladies, thank you so much for coming in and telling
Alrighty.
us about what's
Thanks for
going on in
having us.
Milton.
Thank you.
Good to you.